After going toe-to-toe with Michelin and Continental, Pirelli's all-new P Zero PZ5 now sets its sights on Goodyear's regaining grip king, the Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6. It's the ultimate clash in the ultra high-performance tyre arena. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from Tyre Review's Best Performance Tyres for 2025 tests. In the wet, the PZ5 shines. It stops 0.85 meters shorter. That's a 4% improvement in wet braking. In straight-line aquaplaning, the Asymmetric 6 fights back, resisting hydroplaning at a 1.2 km per hour higher slipping speed, giving it a 2% edge for Goodyear. When it comes to wet handling, the PZ5 completes the lap 2.38 seconds quicker, roughly 2% faster. And in subjective wet handling, it just feels more confident, scoring a 9.5 point versus Goodyear's 9, a 3% gain for Pirelli. On dry roads, the PZ5 again leads in braking, stopping 1 meter shorter or 3% better. It's also quicker around the dry circuit by 0.64 seconds, giving it a 1% advantage. But when it comes to their crisp steering feel, the Asymmetric 6 edges ahead with a perfect 10 versus Pirelli's 9.75. A 1% lead in subjective handling. Comfort-wise, the PZ5 offers a smoother ride, scoring 10 versus Goodyear's 9.5, giving it a 2% gain. Yet, the Goodyear is quieter performer, registering 71.2 dB compared to the 72.2 dB of Pirelli, giving it a 1% quieter advantage. With a rolling resistance coefficient value of 8.7 versus 8.9, the Asymmetric 6 is about 2% more efficient. When it comes to pricing, the Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 is approximately 6% cheaper than the Pirelli PZ5. In summary, the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 delivers sharper dry handling and a much quieter exterior noise. But the all-new Pirelli P Zero PZ5 brings stronger wet and dry performance, coupled with a better ride comfort. For us, the new king of the UUHP is clear: Pirelli's P Zero PZ5.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.